welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TradingView account to your Whop account. So first, you have to open Whop account and TradingView account, and you have to log into both account. After that, you can go to your left side here and go to your profile page here. Then, as you can see, there is connected account. You can click it, and then you can choose TradingView. And this is just tutorial, and you have to enter your TradingView username. So back to your TradingView account and go to your profile icon here. And then as you can see, this is my username, tutorials with Sena. I will just tap it here and then connect, and it's done. It's connected. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.